General Awnings. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble and install the Keystone Marquee Awning. Please read the instructions provided with the awning before you start. The following tools are recommended for this installation. See the assembly manual for a complete parts list. Step 1. Attach the mounting rail to the wall horizontally using the lag bolts or other appropriate wall anchors. Apply exterior grade caulk into the mounting rail groove as shown. Step 2. Gather the left side louver section, the right side louver section, and the runner. Place the runner with its slots facing forward on the left and right rafters. Secure with bolts and nuts Part D through the pre-punched holes on both sides. Step 3. Attach the left starter pan to the left louver section using bolts and nuts. Start at the pre-drilled hole in the front. Continue by drilling through holes in the overlapping lip of the starter pan approximately every 12 inches and using bolts and nuts to attach the starter pan. Repeat with the right starter pan. Step 4. Attach the left starter pan to the mounting rail on the wall with 2 bolts and nuts using the pre-drilled holes. Repeat with the right starter pan. Step 5. Adjust the shim cap on the bottom of each louver section to level the awning against the wall. Use the lag bolt or other appropriate wall anchor to secure the louver section to the wall. Drill a set hole and use a bolt and nut to secure the shim cap. Repeat on the right side. Step 6. Attach bottom pans to the mounting rail using bolts and nuts. Bend the front valance sections down to match the starter pans. Step 7. Slide a runner clip into the slot on the runner. The right and left sides of the clip should engage the adjoining bottom pans. Repeat with the remaining runner clips. Step 8. Place the top pans between the bottom pans already in place. Snap each top pan over the tabs on the mounting rail and over the runner clips. Step 9. Slip the valance section of each top pan into the slots on the bottom pan. Tighten all nuts, bolts, and screws. The Keystone Marquee Awning installation is complete. Thank you for choosing General Awnings.